Carl Sagan, the man, once said, "The nitrogen in our DNA,
the calcium in our teeth,
the iron in our blood,
the carbon in our apple pies
were made in the interiors of collapsing stars. We are made of star stuff."
But what does this mean?
Our yellow sun is actually fairly small. But the stars that produce the elements we are made of are roughly 25 times the size of our sun.
For roughly 5 million years, massive stars burn hydrogen in their core. As it begins to die, the massive star will expand and cool, turning red, resulting in a supergiant. As a supergiant, the star has an inert helium core and begins fusing hydrogen in a shell around the core.
This process lasts 1 million years. The second stage, the helium-burning star, has a helium-fusing shell, an inert helium core, and continues to fuse hydrogen in an outer shell. This process lasts 700,000 years. The fused helium forms an inert carbon core with a helium-fusing shell around it. The helium-fusing shell will expand and begin fusing all helium.
Eventually, the carbon in the core will begin to fuse, resulting in a carbon-burning core and an inert carbon shell. This core will burn for 600 years.
This fused carbon will eventually form an inert oxygen core.
As the star nears death, we must take a closer look at the core. The star's core will fuse oxygen for roughly 6 months, which will create an inert silicon core.
Soon the star begins fusing silicon into iron. This process lasts about 1 day.
The fusion of iron does not produce the nuclear energy required to sustain the star. Therefore, it is doomed to collapse under the pressure of its own gravity.
The cosmos is also within us. We're made of star stuff. We are a way for the cosmos to know itself.